Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Meaghan Kirschling from One Agora Health. I wanted to talk a little bit about something that I see a lot in clinical practice that I think is a really important tip to remember whenever there is a need for a detox, whether that detox be from something like mold, even detoxes from infections like Lyme disease, or from a GI detox. So people who are trying to get rid of parasites, bacteria, yeast, things like that. One of the things that we sometimes forget to really do first is get our own systems up and running. And two of the systems that I see backed up a lot that we don't focus on enough is the bile system and the lymphatic system. So today I wanted to focus on a couple of tips I have about the bile system. So bile is a liquid that we make and store in our liver and gallbladder area. And so what happens is that with the bile, we make it every day in our liver, and then we store it either in our liver or if we have a gallbladder there. We talk a lot about bile for digestion, and it helps to break down fat. But the thing that bile also does that's so important is it helps us to detox. So it helps us to take out of our body the fat-soluble toxins that we're exposed to every day. And it also helps to make sure that our bile system is running every day through our gut so that we can keep down parasites, bacteria, and yeast. When toxins accumulate or when our gut becomes out of balance, a lot of times the bile system will become overwhelmed. And so if we don't get this system up and running first, then it's going to be hard to move forward with the next step of detox. There is a great system that I love to do that is pretty easy to do and very effective. I love to do what's called the push-pull system, where you're activating the bile to get pushed through the system, and then you're pulling out those toxins in the bile through the gut. And I think this is a great place to start for detox because it then gets your bile system up and running again. If you have sludgy bile and that system's not running, then what's going to happen is you're never going to detox or heal properly. So I love two different systems, and they both work really well, and they're from two different companies. So I love a system I use from Cellcore called TUDCA and Biotox Binder. And then I love from Quicksilver, they have Liver Sauce and the Ultra Binder. So first, what you need is a push system. And so that would be either TUDCA or this Liver Sauce. And what these both do is they get the bile system activated. And so they thin it out and get it moving so that that bile starts to then be activated and be able to do what it's supposed to do. And so you can take these then to get that bile system going, but then you need a pull. So you need something that's going to pull this out and pull out all the toxins and everything else with it. And so Quicksilver uses the Ultra Binder, which is a combination of a bunch of great binders. And Cellcore uses Biotox Binder, which is also a mixture of different kinds of binders. The reason I like this is because once you get that bile system moving again and then go into the next step of detox, you're going to be a lot more effective than having a system that's already stressed and backed up, not working for you. So if you guys have any questions, I would love to answer them. And really, really, really think that this is just an overlooked part of detox a lot. So just wanted to come on and explain to you the importance of your bile and why we do want to get that moving in the right direction before we put you on any kind of detox or gut healing program. Thanks, guys.